Alright, so what we're doing today, I already got the dash out, but we are fixing the AC and heat system in the Lexus because mine is fucked up because the stock turbos pretty much molested my heater core lines in there and it broke a whole bunch of shit in here. So we are replacing the entire system. I have a whole nother system over there, and so we have the dash out, which actually really wasn't that hard to do. And so anyways, we're gonna go ahead and try our best to take the AC system out. Okay, so finally got the old AC system out. Do not ever attempt to do this. It isn't worth it. Pay somebody to do it, because this is what we're left with. Basically, I had to replace all that, and by doing that we had to pull this entire bar out with all of the harnesses and all these freaking bolts and braces and all this and that. Honestly, I'm not entirely sure how we're going to get this bitch back together, but that's another story. Worried about getting the AC system in place for now and then going from there. But it's a pain in the ass, and it's another hour and a half from when I last videoed with you guys. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and start reassembly now. So wish us luck. Alright, so we have the new AC system put in. Now we just got to reattach the blower motor over there in the corner, and then work on, me and Ryan get the job of working on putting all this shit back in. So hard part was getting it all angled in right and sitting flush, so that way the new orifice valve met where the AC hoses and my new heater core lines came through cleanly. So yeah, now we're just going to go ahead and work on putting it all back together. Got to stick this blower motor back in and go from there. Alright my dudes, excuse my hair, but anyways, I need a haircut. Got the blower motor back in. Blower motor is pretty easy to take off. There's a bolt in the bottom there, and then a bolt right here, and then you unclip that, and you unclip this connector right here, and it comes off. Yeah. So now we're just doing reassembly. I gotta wait for Ryan to get back. He went on a food run. So what we gotta do now is we're gonna put this bar back in place, and then start bolting in the factory amp back to it, bolting this in, plugging these connectors into all of this stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it, I do believe, and for that, and then we just start reassembly. You do have to move the airbag computer module right here out of the way to get this in and out, and that's a couple of Torx 40 bolts, and all this stuff right here looks confusing, but that's just all the radio stuff. For the most part, getting the actual dash cover itself out is pretty easy. There are bolts here, up there, down here, one here, there's one under there, and you gotta do the latch bolts, one behind the airbag, one here, and then you have to take out the cluster, and then it unplugs and it clips out, and then you have to drop the steering column to get it out, to maneuver it out. But it's fairly simple. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Going to eat some food, and then going to go ahead and start the continuing on the reassembly, getting this done. It's actually like 10 o'clock right now. It's not too late. We started at like 7 something, I believe, and the hardest part was actually figuring out how to get the actual AC unit itself out. And we haven't broken anything yet. The actual important stuff is already hooked back up, so that's good. But next we're just going to continue the assembly. I believe the AC system should work now. Problem I was having before was the stock twin turbos smashed up against the heater hoses, and it knocked something loose inside the AC system, and it wouldn't hold a charge. There is an evap tube, or a tube that comes out of the evaporator down here in the bottom corner. Comes out like right along here along the frame rail, and it's like it's where the AC system sweats water. And mine had liquid Freon coming out of it when we tried to charge the system, so I knew I had a leak and it wasn't holding. So yeah, anyways, that's pretty much going to do it for now, and so stick around. Alright, so hours later, finally have everything assembled. I'm trying to see if I have my radio wired right, and I'm also trying to turn the power on and see if my damn airbags blow up or not. Don't you be throwing no damn shit whenever I turn it on thinking I blew it up, Ryan. Alright, here we go. Well, my shit didn't blow up yet.
Crank it up, bitch. Nope. Clear up here.
Alright, let's see if the old phone will play some Bluetooth. Let me grab my shit real quick. Okay, cool. Alrighty, let's see if it'll crank. Alright, so we got the everything hooked back up, and I know you can't see me right now, but we got everything hooked back up and everything seems to be running fine. Going to attempt to charge the AC and run the heater core lines tomorrow. And other than that, guys, I think that's pretty much going to do it for this video. I'll make a part 2 to this video tomorrow and let you guys know how it went. So stick around, stay tuned, and have a great day, guys. Peace.